welcome to my channel. Actually my day of finished products. So let's start. Today I would like to start with the one I haven't finished yet. I will finish it pretty shortly. It's Nivea Derma Skin Clear Anti-Blemish Toner with salicylic acid. I like it. I use it morning and evening, and it's one of the best for my prone to breakouts, oily combination skin. It's my third bottle and I have fourth one as a backup. Finished Uriage makeup removing oil. I didn't like it much. My favorite one is Kadali. Finished Siberian Nature Natura Siberica Biome Hydration Serum with marine hyaluronic and seaweed glycoproteins. It was okay. I'm not going to purchase again, but yeah, average hyaluronic acid serum. This one I liked, CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. I purchased a second bottle of this and I like it a lot. Finished miniature of Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. Sometimes it was giving me a weird reaction on the skin, like pimples and everything. Sometimes it was not, so I'm not sure about this. Anyway, I didn't see any magnificent results from it, so I'm not going to purchase it. Not finished, but I'm not going to use it. It's probably expired. Arborian Skin Hero Bare Skin Perfector 7 days transformation without silicones. I haven't seen any results, so just didn't use. I didn't use primers in general, and I didn't use foundations, liquid foundations anyway. I used just powder, so do not need it. Also, the same story is probably expired. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. I purchased it when I had some reaction on my chest. It was helpful at this time, but after this I did not use it. It's not for my skin, it's for dry skin, and my skin is not dry. My favorite hairspray, Adorn Styling. I don't know, like probably it's Italian, yeah, it's made in Italy. Italian one. I like the scent of this. It's very sweet, perfumey, very on trend perfumey nowadays. And this scent men likes this particular scent. They always compliment me when I use it. And this one is very dry, and it's possible to use on roots and to shush a little bit and add volume to my thin hair. So purchased a second bottle of this. I'm not going to use it. Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector, because it weighed my hair down and made them greasy and looking oily, and like it's just terrible. I don't know. I put it only to ends, for example. Hair dry, my hair, and after 5 hours, like somehow it's transferred to the roots, and everything is just oily, greasy, terrible. So I used up about half of this, and I'm not going to do it. It's just terrible for me, for my fine hair. Finished Now Foods Vitamin D3 1000 units. Like it. Finished perfume Gucci Bloom. Nice perfume. Like it very much. I'm not sure if I purchased it. I have too many perfumes, but this one was nice. Finished lip gloss, Morphe Medicine Beer Mars, color called Mars. Like this color a lot. Like this lip gloss. It was very nice, very nourishing, very hydrating. For me, I have kind of dry lips, but it was good. And color, I think this color was very good for me. Very complimented my other features. So Mars by Morphe Medicine Beer series. And another lip product I finished, mini version of Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Balm. Liked it, it was okay. I like the scent of this. It was enough for me in this warmer climate. In colder climate it wouldn't be enough. But anyway, when I finish all my unfinished lip balms, I'm going to get back to Lush one, I think. So that's it, what I finished this time, and I hope it was interesting. If you like this type of diary, please let me know, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.